What's up, everybody? So it is November 1st that I'm filming this, and I feel should I have a Christmas tree behind me? I still have my fall decor. I've just seen so many videos. Ooh, trying to go down low. I've just seen so many videos of everybody already putting up their Christmas decorations and all of that. You guys, I can't keep up. Like, I know I'm online, but it was early that I had this up for like more than 4 weeks, okay? Anyhow, just some thoughts from today. I do love Christmas though. We're gonna get into the haul. Sorry, my November 1st thoughts. So, I had a comment and I wanted to kind of combine the videos, and I figured, hey, this is perfect because the sale is going on. And also, I have gotten all my perfumes from Sephora, so it works out. So today I'm going to show you the rest of my Sephora haul and my impressions on the sets because I haven't seen them in person. I just got my package yesterday or the day before, and I finally just opened it. And I'm also going to recommend some perfumes because I didn't recommend one to you the last video. So I was like, hey, let's make it into a twofer. That's perfect. So thank you so much for your comment because I think it said, like, I need to know how Lizzie smells. So I'm going to let you know how I smell. So first up, I am so glad I was able to snag this because there was a sale the last time and I wasn't on top of it and it sold out, and this is a very good value. And it's the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. It comes with 2 mini ones. So the value, I forgot what it is, but each mini one is $29. So basically $30, and I believe this set is $49. I absolutely swear by this setting spray. Plus I like it because it's small. Sometimes if you travel or you just do your makeup in the car, you don't have to carry like a super huge bottle, but this makes my makeup last. It doesn't make my makeup melt. Even when my makeup is super crappy, it just keeps it on. So next up is a new shampoo and conditioner that I've been using ever since I went to my stylist, which is, I think my very first time with her was April or May. She has saved my hair. I absolutely love her. She just helps me out so much, and I feel like finally I found the one. She has recommended Oribe to me, and I've never tried Oribe. I've never been recommended Oribe, and I absolutely love it. Yes, I do love Way, but I'm not gonna go and purchase it yet, even though I'm running low, because I might get a Sephora gift card for Christmas. I don't know. We'll see. But I don't need it like tomorrow because I already have this. And I'm not going to go through this in like 1 month. So I have the Oribe Gold Lust Repair and Restore Shampoo with the conditioner. I also have the mask, but I have a little mini of it and I do like it. But yeah, just needed these two. They have been the best products for my hair. My hair is super soft. It's a much pricier shampoo and conditioner, and that's probably why I never looked at it too, because I kind of hit like the medium, like Way isn't too bad, and it does wonders for my hair. It always makes my hair nice and soft. And I was using Olaplex, but after a while my hair was drying out, and maybe due to the proteins or whatever that's in that stuff. But yeah, it just wasn't my favorite, and I know people swear by it, but I love this stuff, and it is pricier, but it's so good and it really works. You guys need this set. I linked it in the last video, but just looking at it in person, because I didn't get to see this at the Sephora I went to, because remember I went inside of Kohl's and the shelves were like empty and they didn't have a lot of the sets. This one right here was such a good value. It is under $50 for sure, and just looking at the set overall, you need it. I feel like this is gonna sell out. So that's why I wanted to do this haul, so you guys don't miss out. It has my favorite moisturizer that I showed in the last video. I also linked this in the last video. It has a toner I wanted to try. There is a full-size toner and full-size niacinamide serum, and that one is $49, but this one has like the little of everything. So here's the niacinamide that I love. This is the hyaluronic plump serum, which I haven't tried, and I haven't tried the avocado melt retinol eye cream, and I love eye cream, so I'm really glad it wasn't just like another moisturizer. But you guys, this set is just such a good value. I don't even remember how much it was, but I remember I was mind blown when I saw it online and that it wasn't sold out yet. So I'm gonna link it again down below. Go check it out because the value of this is, yes. Like I said in the last video, take care of that skin, right? Skin always comes first. And I've been running out of, you guys, I didn't even talk about this in the last video, but we're running out of hand sanitizer, and I had no idea Sephora carried Touchland, and I love Touchland, and I just buy it from their site. and they have like a little customized pack, and I got like a limited edition Mickey Mouse one. That was cool, but yeah, they had a pack, and I was like, if I can get a discount on Touchland, which I'm already gonna buy, hell yes. Those are my favorite hand sanitizers. Really moisturizing to the hands. My hands haven't cracked at all. It's not just cute and like, pack my bag with me, you know, because trust me, I love those aesthetic videos too, but some of the stuff you see, you're like, when are you gonna use that? Why do you have a face mask in your glove compartment of your car? Okay. Oh, but I love all those videos though, I won't even lie. I love watching them. And then I finally got the Kosas concealer. So I got the shade, okay, this was what was so weird. So I have 4N Revealer, and when I was online, it didn't say, it said like 4, and it was like pink tones, but I was in the Sephora and I said, okay, even though they don't have it in stock at Kohl's, I can still swatch so I can pick my proper shade when I order it online so I don't make a mistake there too. So I saw it and it said neutral, but then online, there was no neutral. It was only 4, I don't know, it was like pink. I don't think it said 4P, but it said pink undertones. I'm like, this is definitely not pink, but it came with N, so I think it's just like a typo. Ooh, it feels smooth. I think it's a typo online, but I ended up getting this shade. The next shade up was just a little bit too much of my skin tone, and the Sephora collection, which I'm wearing right now, underneath my eyes. Sorry, there is some shadowing, so it might seem like, right? But I'm wearing it today. Very good. Everybody gets 30% off Sephora collection. Love it. I tried the lipstick. I'll link it down below. Love that lipstick. Did I get anything else from the line? No, I only got the concealer and then the lipstick. Both bomb freaking products. Like, I'm so happy they put 30% off for every beauty insider. Like I said, I hope that's just something they roll on for every sale. I think, like I said, it should have been done. It should have been a thing, but I'm glad it is now. And I'm all about trying new concealers, and this one has been my favorite. I've been on a roll because the last video I also recommended the Huda Faux Filter Concealer, and I love that too. But I will say, less is more, and don't layer it, because I kind of put a little bit extra and it looked like crap by the end of the day. And it was a very hot day though. I was sweaty and I didn't prime my face. So it could have been a combination of that, but less is more. And that's with everything, you know? Yeah, I'm excited for this concealer. So hopefully this one is 3rd time's the charm, because I have never, ever tried concealers where I'm just like on a roll. So yes, so far the Huda was bomb. Got that one. The Sephora collection, that one was great too. Now this one, don't let me down. And then the last 2 things that I got, which, I mean, I don't want to say I'm annoyed, but sometimes I do get annoyed, are my samples. And I will never get the samples that I choose. So I got the Fenty Beauty Fenty Icon Semi Matte Lipstick sampler, which I didn't want. I wanted the Anastasia concealer, one size, Secure the Blur, and I think I wanted, I forgot what, but it definitely wasn't this. And you guys, I think Sephora made a mistake on one of my orders from before, which was like 3 or 4 orders a while ago, but it just like hit me right now with points. I used 100 points for a Murad serum, and they usually give you like the little tube. I just got a packet for 100 points. I was like, I would have never wasted 100 points on a straight packet. Okay, nothing you can, you know, do, whatever. I didn't want to like, excuse me, you gave me a packet. Let's just go through my perfumes so you guys know what I smell like and what I like, and I'll kind of talk about when I wear them or how I feel when I wear them, because perfume is very personal as well. But I totally get the inspo because I have been inspired by others. I'm like, ooh, I feel like I'll like that scent. So yeah. Okay. So first off, Valentino Borden Roma. I absolutely love this perfume so much that I will wear it during the day. It is definitely a nighttime perfume, but when I spray it, it just lasts all day. I'll leave the notes because I'm very shitty at explaining, but this one makes me feel sexy. Love this one. I wear this day to night. Lasts really well. It's very different. than all my other ones. Well, kind of. No, it's not, because it kind of reminds me of Black Opium. But I will say Black Opium is one of my top ones when I really want to feel sexy. This is like one I will wear day to night, because I'm like, you know what? I want to feel sexy all day. Like, this makes me feel like, oh, like it. Like, I need a pick me up. Like, I'm the shit. You know, sometimes you just gotta like, you got to be your own fan. You know what I mean? You got to applaud yourself. So this just makes me feel confident when I wear it. Like, ooh, I smell so good. I love it. You know, just for yourself. It just makes you feel good. Black Opium. This is my second bottle of it. Absolutely love that one too. It's definitely a nighttime perfume, if anything, but you do as you please. You make your own rules. This one will forever hold a special place in my heart. It is Chloe Love Story. This is my second bottle of it. This was my wedding perfume. And I was on perfume TikTok and I saw some guy review like top 5 perfumes I would never buy or ever suggest. And this was in there and I was very surprised. And then I was like, I gotta see the comments. And all the ladies in there were like, you don't know shit. And I was actually confused because, you know, you can't, I don't know, it's so hard because with perfumes, you guys, even though you spray them in store, it's so different than when you wear it. So I suggest picking one perfume when you walk into a store, spray it right away. Make that be the first thing you do. Rub it in, whatever the little tricks are. Some people say don't rub it in. Just spray it on, let it set. Let's say that. So I don't have, you know, give out the wrong information. Then walk around the store. You'll probably be in the store, what, like 15 minutes minimum at least. That should let it settle for sure. Let it sniff it. See how it smells on you. See it. Because that's so important. And then you'll see if it goes with your body chemistry, right? But Chloe Love Story, this one is a great daytime perfume. It's very romantic smelling. It just brings me the memory of getting married again and all the special times. I don't know, it just makes me think of love, literally. It's very flirty and very feminine in the sense of like just romantic. One that I was wearing all the time and I randomly wear it, but I haven't worn it in probably like the last 5 months because like I don't really wear this during summertime, but this is more of a fall scent, which is why I wanted to show you. And it's the YSL Mon Paris. And this one it's musky. This is another musky one. I think this is more musky than my Born in Roma. But if I had to pick, I would pick Born in Roma. This YSL one is really nice. I like it. Again, another sexy scent. I would not wear this during the day though. Perfume I love to wear from day to night and spray multiple times because it makes me feel energetic. It makes me feel like excited. It makes me feel light and fresh. Chanel Chance in the pink. I heard that the green is great. I have not smelled it yet. But yeah, I love the pink one. Almost wanted to repurchase this for the sale, but I'm not done yet, you know? And I just got the YSL one Libre, which I will say is a great perfume as well. It's a little strong, but I'm hoping it'll like be mild, you know? Because I just sprayed it right now because I haven't tried it out yet. And I don't want to recommend it yet because I haven't really tried it, but it smells good so far. But I want to see if it like blends with me. One that I'll wear every single day that's light and fresh, and I'll just wear it in tonight too. I'll just reapply, and I absolutely love it, is Daisy perfumes. Now there's the Oh So Fresh, which I have worn for so many years. Light, fresh, it's not as, okay, this one is a little bit stronger than the Chanel one. But this one is just really great as well. And then I also like the Oh So Sweet. And it's just honestly very similar to this, just more on the sweet side. This one's on the floral. This one's on the floral sweet, like a little bit more, you know? Hopefully that helped. Again, I'll put the notes because I suck at that. But I love both of these and they're really great. Then my last one, which surprisingly I don't have a full size of, and it's only because, and I forgot to mention this in one video, it was in my favorites, because I usually like to wear this during fall and winter. Juliet Has a Gun. It's very light, very fresh, but I read the description and this can actually be, what did it say? You can combine this. So this one can be combined with, say for instance, I don't know, maybe my Daisy one. This one, I might want to add a little bit more vanilla musky scent to my Daisy. So this is one that you can combine. I can't figure out the word right now, but that's what it is, okay? And The reason why I don't have a full size of this is, which I forgot to say in that one video, is because I don't know if it's true though. So the only reason why I have this one is because I've read a couple reviews, and when I say a couple, I'm like, okay, I think it must be true, because it's a very random point to make, that this lasts way longer than the full size, and that it just keeps its scent much longer on you. So you don't really have to reapply a ton, because I heard people love the travel so much they end up getting the full size, and it's definitely a different formula, they said. So I don't know, but I never wanted to risk it, and I just have always bought the travel. And then all the perfumes I showed you all have the travel spray as well. This is one of the ones that I would also use day to night. Very great scent. More on the mild side as well, and it's probably also because you can add it and combine it with your other perfumes, but I just wear it on its own. Yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below what else I should try. I saw a couple of your comments saying try the Haus Labs foundation. You guys, I need to know what's going on right now. I need to get on it with the beauty section, because I'm a little behind. I won't lie. I was like, what? I want to try because my friend wanted to try the Haus Labs foundation as well. And I think people were comparing it to the Pat McGrath. That's what she said. So I definitely can try that foundation out. I'm due to figure out what foundation I really love right now. All right, guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.